What a gang! Welcome back to the video, man. Welcome back to the man. Today we got one of these boxes. Haven't seen one of these since November. Let's get it open. Take your guesses what's inside. This might take me a second to get open. We'll do a little cut. Whoa. We got some brand new Jordan, Cactus Jack, Travis Scott shoes. Chat, this box, wow. That's like best quality cardboard I've seen in a long time. A little 360 for the culture. What's on the bottom? Nothing. All right, you want to see it before I do? Comment yes if you do. Here we go. Whoa. Damn. These are a little nicer than other shoes I've unboxed before. Link's gonna be in the description if you want to cop a pair, and I'm pretty sure you can get a discount if you use my name, Kanan, on their website. Let's see what we got. That's hype. A Travis Scott bag. That's super sick. You can put the shoes probably in there. All right, let's take a gander at the shoes now. Hopefully there is actually shoes in here. All wrapped up. Oh my days. The quality is immaculate. Wow. And the smell, so fresh. You already know I'm gonna be balling hard in these. Size 11.5. Those are nice. We got the Velcro here. I'm gonna set one there. Let's take out the other one. Wow. Those are clean. Rate them 1 through 10 in the comments. You know, I need some more comments on my videos. Comes with other laces. We got brown. We got brown with speckles. Specks. And we got tan. Or off-white, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, let's take these things out. So there you have it. These are, looks like Jumpman. I'm gonna play basketball on these. I thought they were a little higher, but I don't know, they give off basketball vibes, so. Yeah, this box is like a couple pounds. Nice box.
They're like, I like them. Look, I like the bottom too. Good job.
Subscribe or you'll wake up and that thing's next to you. I'm gonna put these on my feet. I don't know if this Velcro actually like tightens, but let's try it on. Oh my God. Holy, those have so much support. It feels so immaculate. Tons of different holes if you want to lace it differently. All right, let's get the left shoe on. What? They don't squeak. Nice soles, but I don't know why skateboarding dunks have more grip than these. But are those fire or what? Yeah? Hold up. Pause for a second. Chat, pause. Is my fit firing? right, so the comfiness of these, I rate a 9 out of 10. The fakeness of these, 0 out of 10. These seem so legit. Literally can't even tell that they're fakes. They smell real, they feel real, they look real. The quality is like outstanding. 10 out of 10 recommend these, all right? That's my 10 out of 10 rating. Definitely cop these in the link in the description. They're just so fire, so comfortable. Hello light. I'll even get sturdy real quick. Guys, my sturdy skills are not, they're kind of falling off, but also, which pair of laces do you think would look best?
These shoes are perfect 1-to-1 reps.
You hear that? Cop a pair, link is in the description. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you want more shoe content, comment more down below. I need hella comments on this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in another video. Bye.